way to import stock prices in Excel. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there is a different built-in function for importing stock prices or stock in Excel. So to do so, simply launch your Excel, Microsoft Excel. After that, go to this data section right over here. Now, here you should see data type option. This feature is not available in my version of Excel, but if you do, you will see an option called data types. Simply tap on it and then you will see several options like geography, currencies, stock and organization. Select stock and now you will be easily able to import stock prices. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.